Transform your life with these powerful millionaire habits. Welcome, ambitious souls, to a transformative journey that will revolutionize you. In the realm of prosperity, success is not merely a product of chance. It is a creation fueled by the relentless cultivation of millionaire habits. We invite you to embrace the power of these extraordinary practices and witness as they sculpt your destiny into a masterpiece of abundance. As we delve into the realms of financial eminence, remember that true wealth extends far beyond material possessions. It encompasses a state of mind, a way of life. These millionaire habits, carefully honed by the world's most prosperous, will unlock the gates to an extraordinary existence, igniting a fire within you to rise above the ordinary and ascend to the realm of the elite. Embrace these timeless principles, unleash your potential, and prepare to embark on a thrilling odyssey of personal and financial liberation. Earn success. Transforming your life and achieving remarkable success begins by embodying the qualities of a person who earns it. Cultivate an unwavering commitment to excellence, consistently pushing yourself to go above and beyond what is expected. Develop a strong sense of discipline, as success rarely comes to those who lack the willpower to stay focused and persevere through challenges. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Prioritize self-improvement by investing time and effort into expanding your knowledge and skills, staying ahead of the curve in your chosen field. Surround yourself with ambitious and driven professionals who challenge you to rise higher and inspire you to reach your full potential. Be a person of integrity, consistently acting with honesty, transparency, and respect. By embodying these powerful millionaire habits, you will naturally attract success and create a life of abundance. Position yourself to flourish. Cultivate a clear vision of what you want to achieve and set specific, ambitious goals that align with your dreams. Develop a strategic mindset that allows you to analyze opportunities and make calculated decisions that maximize your chances of success. Embrace a relentless work ethic, going above and beyond what is expected and consistently pushing your limits. Continuously invest in your personal growth by expanding your knowledge and staying adaptable in a rapidly changing world. Practice gratitude and maintain a positive mindset, appreciating the journey as much as the destination. By implementing these millionaire habits, you will position yourself to flourish and unlock the abundance that life has to offer. Acquire in-demand skills. Transforming your life into one of wealth and success requires the acquisition of in-demand skills that set you apart from the crowd. Understand that the world is constantly evolving, and those who possess the right skills are the ones who thrive. Identify the skills that are in high demand in your chosen industry and invest time and effort into mastering them. Embrace a growth mindset, always seeking opportunities to learn and expand your skill set. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies, ensuring that you are at the forefront of innovation. Seek out mentors and experts who can guide you on your journey, providing valuable insights and knowledge. Continuously challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone and take on new projects that allow you to refine your skills. Never stop learning, as acquiring in-demand skills is a lifelong process that keeps you relevant and opens doors to unlimited opportunities. By adopting these powerful millionaire habits, you will position yourself as a valuable asset and create a pathway to extraordinary success. Manage your time better. Understand that time is your most valuable resource and allocate it wisely. Prioritize tasks and focus on high-impact activities that propel you closer to your goals. Embrace productivity-enhancing techniques such as creating a structured schedule and breaking tasks into manageable chunks. Eliminate time-wasting activities and distractions that hinder your progress. Leverage technology and tools to streamline your workflow and automate repetitive tasks. Cultivate discipline and consistency in adhering to your schedule, ensuring that every minute is utilized effectively. Learn to delegate and outsource tasks that can be handled by others, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. By adopting these powerful millionaire habits and mastering the art of time management, you will unlock the potential to accomplish more in less time, and transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Attention-savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. Think like an investor. To truly transform your life and achieve remarkable success, it is essential to adopt the mindset of an investor. Thinking like an investor means making calculated decisions that maximize returns and minimize risks. Treat every aspect of your life as an investment opportunity, carefully assessing the potential outcomes and weighing the costs and benefits. Embrace a long-term perspective, understanding that true wealth is built over time through strategic planning and patience. Continuously seek opportunities for growth and expansion, diversifying your portfolio of skills, knowledge, and investments. Develop a keen eye for spotting trends in emerging markets, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on lucrative opportunities. Be proactive and adaptable, adjusting your strategies as needed and always staying one step ahead. By adopting these powerful millionaire habits and thinking like an investor, you will unlock the potential to create lasting wealth and transform your life into one of abundance. Provide value. Understand that true wealth comes from the impact you have on the lives of others. Make it your mission to identify the needs and desires of those around you, and strive to meet and exceed them. Continuously develop your knowledge and expertise, so that you become a valuable asset in your chosen field. Cultivate a mindset of service, always seeking ways to contribute and make a difference. Embrace a mentality of abundance, knowing that the more value you provide, the more opportunities will come your way. Build genuine relationships based on mutual benefit, as the connections you forge are key to expanding your influence and impact. By adopting these powerful millionaire habits and consistently providing value to others, you will not only transform your own life, but also create a ripple effect of success and fulfillment that extends far beyond your own reach. Build multiple income streams. To truly transform your life and achieve financial abundance, it is crucial to build multiple income streams, a hallmark of millionaire habits. Relying on a single source of income leaves you vulnerable. Diversify your income by exploring various avenues such as investments, side businesses, royalties, or real estate. Embrace a mindset of entrepreneurship, always seeking opportunities to create and grow additional income streams. Continuously educate yourself on different investment strategies and financial instruments that can generate passive income. Surround yourself with a network of successful professionals who can provide guidance and mentorship in building multiple income streams. Be proactive and adaptable, adjusting your approach as you explore new opportunities and optimize existing ones. By adopting these powerful millionaire habits and building multiple income streams, you will experience financial freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Congratulations, fellow seekers of greatness, on completing this empowering exploration of millionaire habits. Armed with newfound knowledge and inspired by the wisdom of the prosperous, you now possess the keys to unlock your full potential and manifest a life of abundance. Remember, transformation is not an overnight phenomenon but a continuous journey of disciplined dedication. As you implement these powerful millionaire habits into your daily routine, remain steadfast in your pursuit of excellence, for it is through consistent action that extraordinary results are born. Your destiny awaits, beckoning you to rise above the masses and claim the life of your dreams. Embrace these transformative habits, persist in your endeavors, and watch as your existence blossoms into a masterpiece of success, prosperity, and fulfillment. It is time to take the leap, to transcend the ordinary, and to embrace your rightful place among the elite.